What's up guys, welcome back to the channel for a new video. Today we are working on the Fit. We've got a fun little project from a fellow YouTuber. I found his content like when I was researching fits, and his channel and Instagram and business was kind of part of the reason why I chose the Fit, because of how much support and enthusiasm that people had for these kinds of cars. And I was like, hey, that's pretty cool. People are making parts and things like that. You guys know I make my own kind of parts for the Miatas, and it was cool to see someone doing the same thing for the Fit. So quickly, I want to give a shout out to Seb's Garage. I'm sure a lot of you people are familiar with him, especially if you're a Fit owner. You definitely have heard of Seb's Garage. He has a solution for one of the strangest things I've ever seen. Like in driving school, they teach you to put your left foot on the dead pedal. And out of all of the different cars I've seen, and I'm sure this isn't the only one, but I didn't realize it until I was driving, there's no dead pedal on the Fit. And inside, you can see there just isn't a dead pedal at all back here. It's just fabric. There's nowhere to put your foot. You have to drive it almost like a U-Haul, like sitting on a bench seat. And just in case I didn't show you guys, I can't remember, I threw in a set of the P2M floor mats, just like in the Miata, and I threw in the Hybrid Racing 130R Delrin shift knob. I love that thing. I think I'm gonna get one for the Miata because it's really pretty nice. So it should be a quick one today because I'm gonna show you the solution. It's just one little piece. So Seb's Garage makes the dead pedal, and I think this is an aluminum construction, powder coated black. He sells one with gusseting in it. I wanted the solid one to cover up the holes in my carpet, so it looks really nice, very clean. The powder coat is really nice and thick looking. There's no light spots on it like you might expect other powder coating kind of things that tends to happen, but that's definitely not the case for this piece. It's a pretty easy install as far as I know. I've seen a few how-tos on it. There's other videos on it as well, but my video is just gonna be me throwing it in my project because all my videos are kind of like a forum post, if you think of it that way. They're not how-tos. There's some product highlights, things like that, but I document my journey on my cars with almost every single modification that I do to it. And as you can see, we're in the midst of getting the transmission out. I don't know when this video is going live, but the first part of the transmission video is live. We're getting all of this, we're getting all of this done. So I'm gonna stick you guys on the tripod, jump into the car, and let's just get to throwing in our new dead pedal. Couple bolts and we're in business, and that fits really, really nicely. I'm very happy with the way this turned out. I just need to mess with my carpet there a little bit. All good. Yeah, so my carpet is pretty trashed, but with the dead pedal and the floor mat that's just covering the wreckage of that carpet, yeah, it looks good. It's much better than it was, that's for sure. Obviously I need to clean up. That's absolutely vile. I haven't really been in and out of this car, so I haven't like cleaned it out or anything yet. So once this is done, I wanted to push myself to get the transmission fixed before I start doing overall cleaning and things like that. I know this is kind of fun, but for dailying and things like that, way, way better. So now I have plenty of room for both my feet, and I used to have to sit like this because if I put it there, it'd get all on the carpet, but now I can just set it right there. So this is way worth it. I think this is much needed. If you have a Fit, a GD3, I think they need them on the GE8s too. If you have a Fit, definitely check out Seb's Garage because this is honestly a game changer. Much needed. So this video isn't sponsored or anything. I just want to give a shout out to Seb's Garage for making it. And yeah, I like it so far. I can't wait to start driving with it, get on the track with it and things like that. I think it's going to make a world of difference for driving this car and makes it feel more like a car, considering you need a place to put your foot. So very excited about that. I know it was a short one. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Go down below and hit the subscribe button and enjoy the Fit content, Miata content, GTI content. We've got a little collection of cars going here. Lots of stuff going on all the time. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, hit the bell, do all that stuff, leave your comments, and see you in the next one.